Donald Trump tweets every day. A lot of times, they're incoherent phrases in capital letters. Sometimes, they're statements of policy, and some other times, they're bombshells. He dropped one such yesterday. Should the US election be delayed, asked the president. Why is this a bombshell? Because A, the election is less than 100 days away. And B, no presidential election has ever been postponed in the United States. Never, ever. Not even during the Civil War, not even during the World War. America had an election during the Second World War, but Donald Trump is known to do things that have never happened before. Unconventional is his middle name, you could say. So can Donald Trump, the 45th president of the United States of America, delay the presidential election? What does the law say? What do political players say? What do the people of America say? Well, we'll start with what Donald Trump says. The US president spoke out against the practice of universal mail-in voting. What is that? America gives the option to cast votes through the postal ballot. Something that will be used widely in this election because of the Wuhan virus. People may not want to go out to polling booths. Remember, America is the worst hit country in the world, and it looks like the US may not be able to flatten the curve anytime soon. So postal votes will enable social distancing, but Donald Trump is against this. He says if votes are mailed in, this will be the most inaccurate and fraudulent election in the history of America. So maybe the election can be delayed until the people can go out to vote. Later in the day, Trump faced the press. He was bombarded with questions. He stuck to his message. Trump claimed that ballots will be forged and the election will be rigged.
Talk Russia, Russia, Russia. They talk China. They talk all of these countries. They say they get involved in our elections. This is easy. You can forge ballots. This is much easier for foreign countries. So we're asking for a lot of trouble. And no, do I want to see a date change? No. But I don't want to see a crooked election. This election will be the most rigged election in history if that happens. Are all these stories right about the fact that these elections will be fraudulent, they'll be fixed, they'll be rigged, and everyone's looking at it. And a lot of people are saying, you know, that probably will happen.
Can the US election be fixed so easily? The answer is no. Several studies have shown that all forms of voting fraud are very rare in the US. The US president himself set up a panel to investigate election corruption, but it was disbanded. They found no real evidence of fraud. So why does Donald Trump want to delay the election? Well, critics have a theory. He has just floated the idea so that if he loses, he can say the election was rigged and that he'd been saying it all along. Well, we have nothing to substantiate this, so we will not dwell on it. Instead, let's talk about Trump's options. The president cannot cancel or postpone an election just with an order. He's bound by law. A law made in the year 1845, which permanently fixed the election date in America, the first Tuesday in November, every 4 years. That's the date of the presidential election, come hail or high water. This time, the first Tuesday is the 3rd of November. The only way to delay this election is to go through the US Congress, that's the American Parliament. You need a constitutional amendment to postpone an election, and most lawmakers have already rejected this idea. Senior members of Trump's own party say the election will happen on the 3rd of November this year.
Well, never in the history of the country, through wars, depressions, and the Civil War, have we ever not had a federally scheduled election on time.
Never in the history of the federal elections have we ever not held an election, and we should go forward with our election.
The election will be held on the date set by Congress and the historic date. And with regards to mail-in voting, in my state, we've had it for some time. It works extremely well.
Needless to say, the Democrats won't back Trump on this. So why is he suggesting a delay? Best case scenario, he wants to buy time. Worst case, he wants to build an argument to dismiss an unfavorable result.